Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to Brain Tech Talk, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology and innovation. Today, we've got some exciting news straight from the YouTube headquarters. YouTube is testing a brand new feature called Context Notes, and it's set to change the way we interact with videos on the platform. So, what exactly are Context Notes, and why should you care? Let's break it down. Imagine watching a video and wondering about the background details or wanting to know more about a specific topic discussed in the video. That's where Context Notes come in. This feature provides additional information and context related to the video's content directly within the video player. Here's how it works. While watching a video, you'll see a small pop-up that offers more information about what's being discussed. It's like having a mini fact-checker or a personal assistant right there with you, giving you all the details you need without having to leave the video. So, why is this important? Well, in today's fast-paced world, we consume tons of information every day. Context Notes can help us understand the nuances of complex topics, verify facts, and get a deeper insight without interrupting our viewing experience. This feature is especially useful for news videos, educational content, and tutorials where accuracy and additional information are crucial. It ensures that viewers have access to reliable sources and can make informed decisions based on the content they consume. Using Context Notes is super easy. Just look for the pop-up icon on the video player, click on it, and voila, you get all the context you need. It's that simple. YouTube is currently testing this feature with a limited number of users, so if you see it, consider yourself lucky. And don't worry if you don't have access yet. YouTube plans to roll it out to more users soon. What do you think about Context Notes? Are you excited to see this feature in action? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Brain Tech Talk for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and stay informed. Check out these other videos for more tech news and updates.